what are we doing?
Schmoggy.
We got the coils right here. What do you think, Dayton?
Trying to figure out which ones are the front.
Right here. Alright guys, today's the day. Doing the coilover install for you guys. Lex over here. Posted. Straight posted.
He's just a baby.
Kitty. The OG wagon right there posted. Damn. That's JDM right there, boy. Alright, let's get to it.
Gotta get it for Friday Night Blackstone.
Yeah, look at that.
A second source of safety.
In case of dire emergency.
Alright, let's clear it in there.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we got the Raceland coilovers right here. These are just the basic ones. No, it doesn't have the, what is it called? The
Dampening adjustment.
Yeah, the dampening adjustment. Yeah, right off the top, they're pretty good quality. Everything feels nice and firm. The tools with them too. Alright, so these are the ones that go in the front. As you can see, the top hat's different. Alright guys, so you guys take the bolts off right here. As you can see, we already took them off.
Those are 9/16, by the way.
Just 3 of them. And then down here,
You can see the 3.
down here you're gonna wanna, it has a safety pin. Looks like this. So it comes out of here and loosened it. So this is gonna come off. So you do this after you take the 3 bolts up there, and what you're gonna want to do right here is
Bang that bitch upward.
One.
It's out.
One shot.
Damn, bro.
Hey.
Home run.
Oh man.
All right, so
Fill her up.
Just rest it over there,
yeah, you can just rest it off to the side.
And then you got one bolt that goes through here, and then that's it.
You got a bolt right here holding the brake. Yeah, you don't want to mess anything up.
Oh, she gonna die if you got no brakes.
Yeah. All right, so
That was 5
Oh,
hours.
she's out. She popped.
all right, so this is what you guys take out, and it goes right here. This is what we took out right now. That's the brake line right there. You can leave that to the side. Screw it back in, screw the bolt back in, whatever you guys want to do, so you don't lose it. 11/16. We're gonna take this bolt off right here.
Oh, she's a gripper.
You just want to loosen that up.
Oh, too tight. Loosen that bitch up.
Take it out of there. Alright, so this bolt came out of the backside. And then, so what we're gonna do is, you want to take this bolt out so you can get the whole strut off. So that's what we're gonna do right now, boys. Let's get this bit.
Get her out of there. It's on.
Alright, so we're
You know, we got the master mechanic right here.
yeah, she chilling. Alright, so
Ran into a little bit of difficulties, eh?
this bolt off from here. It was kind of a bitch to get
Kind
off.
of a doozy.
It's off now, so all we're gonna do now is get this strut out of the
Get the strut out.
control arm. You might need to put some fucking force into it, but it should come off.
Yeah. Put some WD in there, yeah?
Yeah. Hit it. Look at the difference, bro.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Going up.
So these are the Racelands. These are H&R. Time to put them on, boys.
Which way they going, like this?
Yeah. No, is there any way you can hold it real quick?
Hold it. One should be good. I'll do a send on the fucking a light send, not a full send.
Going over to Auto Zone right now. We gotta get a tool that we need. Fuck.
Look at that fucking thing.
Damn.
Oh,
What the fuck?
that's fucking
That shit looks like a spider, bro.
That shit should come all the way out. It holds it right there.
Oh yeah, what are you saying? How?
Good job, Wade.
As you can see, it's coming off.
Yeah.
And
Alright,
good
cool.
old little Woody over here trying to help us out too, putting in work.
Master mechanic right here.
You heard that turbo spool. The spooling and
I
boogling.
wanted to get that raspy fucking sound.
You could probably get it on the straight way. It was just because it was
The
probably
RPMs weren't high enough.
yeah. Oh, fucking I've won. Hooning that shit.